ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. We have to see from here. Anusha.
She left.
Okay, you can do.
सिंहः पशून् हन्ति हन्तु हन्यात् अहन्
One minute. जनो बोध्यते न च कदापि कस्यापि धनं चोर्यते. From there we have to do.
जनो बोध्यते न च कदापि कस्य अपि धने चोर्यते
धनं चोर्यते.
धनं चोर्यते कार्यं क्रियते कार्यते च. జను అంటే జనులకేనా? జనులకు బోధించబడుతుంది మరియు
జనః is which vibhakti, which vachana?
ప్రథమ విభక్తి ఏకవచనం. జనుల
అర్థం ఏం రావాలి?
జనులు జనాలు జనం జనం బోధించబడుతుంది మరియు ఎవరు కూడా ధనంను దొంగిలించకూడదు. పని చేస్తుండాలి మరియు చేయబడుతుండాలి.
క్రియతే అయితే
కార్యతే.
कार्यते is kru dhatu hinsayam. Okay, Dukran Karana is also कार्यते is there. Okay, next Aparnaji.
The same one in English, right?
Yes.
Okay. People should be educated or should be made knowledgeable.
No, not should. Bodhyate is which lakara?
Vidhiling, right?
No. Lat lakara. Atmanepadi.
Okay.
This is karmani prayoga in nich pratyaya.
Okay. So people then it should be made knowledge. No, not like that. It should be then not like a people are not.
You see that previous vakya. Shrimadbihi dhimadbihi shrimadbhischa balaha patyate. What you have written?
So the child is made to study by the wealthy and the intelligent one. So okay. So that's the same thing. Okay. So the person is made knowledgeable to not steal dhanam at any time. Dhanam choryate, right?
No,
dhanam.
That is different vakya. Janaha bodhyate.
So okay. So then
okay. You are continuing.
So, I'm just So the person is made knowledgeable not to steal dhanam at any time, for anyhow, anytime, not any time, or yeah, anytime, anyhow, for karyam, for doing any work, or for getting work done, for doing work and getting work done, and getting work done.
Are you making the whole thing is one sentence?
Yeah.
It's not one sentence. It's different sentences.
Okay. So then I will just stick to the jano bodhyate.
Is separate one.
Okay.
Nacha kadapi kasyapi dhanan choryate is another one.
Okay. So the person is made knowledgeable.
Hmm.
Then next one I should do the second, that nacha kadapi kasyapi dhanam choryate is second
Yes.
sentence, right?
Yes.
Okay. Never to.
I have a question. Bodhyate is it made to understand or is it made knowledgeable? What is right
Both.
understanding of bodhyate?
Both are same meaning, na? What is the difference for both words? Sorry.
Interchangeably we use it, I think,
Made
Problem.
knowledgeable is more general and made to understand is different. I mean, at least that's how I've understood. Made knowledgeable is generally you're knowledgeable, but made to understand something is specific. So, I mean, that's how I've understood, but I may be wrong. So,
Oh,
So which
Okay.
one would be better in this context, Uma? Made to understand or made?
I will check. You can continue.
Okay. Nacha kadapi kasyapi dhanam choryate. Never to steal wealth at any time, anywhere. Anyhow, I think kasyapi.
Kasyapi is anybody's.
Okay, anybody's. At any time of anybody. And karyam kriyate karyate cha. For any work, to do any work or to get work done. And to get work done.
This bodhyate is it's teaching.
Okay, so the person
Making-
should be taught, or
No. By Sri Dhimadhihi Janaha, by them, people are
made knowledgeable or taught.
teaching.
Oh.
See, I don't know.
By Dhimat Bihi, by the wealthy and the intelligent people, person is taught not to steal wealth at any time of anybody's. Does that make sense?
No, that sentence is different. After kama, we should not add that
Oh,
sentence.
Okay.
Janaha bodhite is one vakya.
Purna ji,
Huh.
could we say they are informed? How
This
to say?
is bodha dhatu is knowledge.
Yeah, information.
Bodhite.
Okay. Information is knowledge as well, right? But it's generic knowledge. But yeah, okay.
Yeah, I have the translation is like people taught by them.
Okay.
People.
But I'm not sure taught is the correct word or not for this sentence. Okay, I will check that exact translation. Okay.
And we can also just taught, or
Huh?
taught can go. Okay, to understand can go here. Then is fine.
Okay, next one.
Yeah.
सिंहः पशून् हन्ति हन्तु हन्यात् अहन् हनिष्यति वा పశువు సింహము పశువులను చంపుతున్నది చంపాలి చంపింది లేదా చంపబడుతుంది చంపుతాది
చంపుతది.
చంపుతుంది
Future tense చంపు. Okay, next
అహన్
one.
అంటే అహన్ అంటే
అహన్ చంపింది.
చంపింది
Past tense lang lakara ahan. Ahan is also meaning is day. Ahani, ahani. That is
పగలు.
the ahan shabda, ahani, ahani. So this han dhatu lang lakara is also ahan only.
ఓకే.
That ahani. Day is ahani. But the pratipadika is ahan. Next, Prabhaji.
The same one English.
Yes.
The Simha, the lion, it kills the animals, right? Pashun kills animals. Let it kill animal. Then
Where let it kill animal?
Hantu.
Hantu. Okay. Huh.
Or because we can't say should kill animal, it doesn't make sense. That's why I said let it. Then ahan is, you said past tense, so killed animals. Then hanishyati in future, so will kill animals. So with an or, right? Or will kill. Okay.
Will kill.
How did
Okay.
you distinguish between Hantu and Hanyat?
Oh, I missed Hanyat, I think. Should kill animal is, yeah.
But both are same meaning we can take.
Right.
Lot and
And willing.
Okay. Next one. Vijayaji.
సహ హిమవంతం గతవాన్. అతడు హిమాలయాలకు వెళ్ళాడు.
Yes. Next one. Oh, okay. Aparna ji, can you do the same thing in English?
Sure. He went to Himalayas.
Is Himavantan mean up till? Or
Himavantam is.
he went up to Himalayas, or he just went to Himalayas?
No, Gatavan is Tavatu Pratyaya. The Artha Pratyaya. That is Nishta Pratyaya, past tense. He went. Himavantam is Dvitiya Ekavachanam. To Himalayas.
Oh, so it is simple Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay.
Himavan is the Pratipadikana. In this chapter, there are different kind of shabdas. Balavat, Buddhimat, Dhanavat. This is Matu Pratyaya. Srimad, Dhimat. All these are Matu Pratyaya. Like Balavat is Balavan. Dhanavat is Dhanavan. Himavat is Himavan. Himavan, Himavantau, Himavantaha. Himavantam, Himavantau, Himavataha. Himavata, Himavadhyam, Himavadhihi. Himavate, Himavadhyam, Himavadhyaha. Himavataha, Himavadhyam, Himavadhyaha, Himavataha, Himavatoho, Himavatam. Himavati, Himavatoho, Himavatsu. These are the declensions for all these shabdas. Himavat, Dhanavat, Balavat, Buddhimat, Bhagavat. For all. Okay, next. Who has done that? Mama, can you do the next one?
This is पिता पुत्र को गांव भेजता है. That one.
Yes.
Okay. पिता पुत्रम ग्रामम गमयति.
Yes.
Okay.
Next one. Shivananji is there? Sirishaji is there?
Yes,
Sirishaji, can you do the next one? Okay, Shivananji. Oh, sorry, he is not available. Okay. Next, Anusha.
कवि गान से सबको प्रसन्न करता है. कवि ही गानस्य सर्वान् रमयति.
కవి పాటతోటి అందరినీ ఆనంద పెడుతున్నాడు.
కవి గానస్య ఆనంద రమయతి అంటే సరిపోతుందమ్మా. ప్రసన్నకర్త అంటే రమయాని.
నెక్స్ట్ విజయాజీ సేమ్ వాక్యం.
कविः गानात् सर्वे रमयति.
అపర్ణాజీ
सर्वे
Yes, Purnaji.
సేమ్ వాక్య.
The Kavi one.
Yes.
Okay. But this is in Sanskritam only, no?
Yes.
Anusha, Kavihi Ganasya Janan Ramayanti.
Next, Prabhaji.
It should be Ganena. Kavihi Ganena Sarvan. Or Sarvan Janan, do we have to say? No, it doesn't say.
No.
So Sarvan Ramayati. Sorry.
Why Ganena has come?
Because it's by it's through the it's because Ram Dhatu. So Tritiya. The the joy has been given by the song, by the singing.
This is
Nich Pratyaya.
In Nich Kartari Prayoga, Karta should be in Tritiya. So Ganam here is the Karta. That's why Ganam should be in Tritiya. Okay. Next one. Umama.
यति पापों का दमन करता है. यति ही Dhamma is part of this buddhi pratyaya. No, I don't see Dhamma there. So it must be papebhyaha damayati. I'm using Tritiya Bahuvachanam of Papa. I'm assuming it is Pape Bheya. Pape Bhya.
Bhihi.
Bhihi. Pape Bhi.
This
Is it or is it
Dhamma
papai? I don't know.
this Dhamma dhatu, when it comes, we can use the Dvitiya.
Okay. So it's part of the Gati Buddhi Pratyavasanartha.
Yes.
Applicable. Okay.
In that sutra, we were having a question in previous chapter, if you remember, Hru Dhatu. Hru Dhatu is given as the should come in Dvitiya whenever Hru Dhatu comes. Gati Buddhi Pratyavasanartha in that sutra. But in sutra, these dhatus are not there. So how do so there is some Vartika. I don't know what is that Vartika. I have not understood. Narayanji was saying something, some Vartika. There's some shloka is there relating to all these dhatus in Vartika. But where that Vartika is there, I have not found it. But there are some dhatus. So we can assume whatever dhatus are given in this. Those dhatus, whenever it comes, we have to use Dvitiya. Okay.
So yati papani damayati.
Next one. Anusha.
राजा नौकर को काम में लगाता है. राजा भृत्यं कार्ये घटयति.
Continuation. और शीघ्रता करता है, कराता है.
और शीघ्रता कराता है. त्वरयति.
Tvarayati cha should come at the end. Next, Vijayaji.
बुद्धिमान विवाद शांत करता है. कराता है. सबको सुख देता है. बुद्धिमान विवादं शमयति. सर्वान् सुखं जनयति.
Yes. Next, Aparnaji.
बलवान धनवान से धीमान को धन दिलाता है. बलवान धनवान धनम what would be दिलाता है?
What is the meaning for dilata in English?
Dilata means he lets them attain it or get it.
What is the dhatu for that?
दापयति.
Yes.
Okay. And Balavan, Buddhiman, sorry. So this one. Balavan, Dhanvan, the Balavan, Dhanvan se, right? So Dhanavanasya Buddhiman. What was it that Viji you had mentioned? Dilata hai.
धापयति
Dapayati. Dhanam dapayati.
Prabhaji, same sentence.
It should be, should it be Balavan? Sorry, is Dhiman. Sorry, not Dhiman, right? Balavan, Dhanavata, because Tritiya. Tritiya because of the Nich Pratyaya, as you said. Dhanavan, Dhimate, Dhanam, Tapayati.
Can you repeat again?
Balavan, Dhimata, no, sorry, Dhanavata. I'm saying it wrong. It should be Balavan, Dhanavata, Dhimate, Dhanam, Dapayati.
Yes.
बुद्धिमतां usage.
Buddhimate, dhimate, both are same. One who has intellect. Dhimati, buddhimati.
बुद्धिमते
is-
वक्तव्यम्.
Dhi is nothing but buddhi. Buddhimate. Next. Umama.
गुरु शिष्य से पुस्तक यहाँ रखवाता है. गुरु शिष्येन पुस्तकं धापयति.
Atra is there.
Atra sthapayati shishyan.
Oh, you want me to continue?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sorry. शिष्य उन्हें रखता है. शिष्यः is it Tani or Unhe? So that is Pustakani, right? Tani Sthapayati.
Can you translate into English that Shishya Unhe Rakta Hai means?
The student places those books.
Okay.
So I think Tani would work, right? Tani Sthapayati.
What is that? Sthapayati. Okay.
I said Tani for Unhe. It is a pronoun, right? For Pustakani.
Tan.
Tan.
Hmm.
Tan. Okay.
Saha tau te tam tau tan.
Tan.
This is Napun, isn't it? Is it Pustakaha or Pustakam? Is it Napunsaka or
Pustakam.
Pulling?
Yes, yes.
Pustakam.
Pustakam.
So then Tani is correct, right?
Tan. Yes, yes. Tan.
I had one question here, Purnaji. In the
Yes.
first part of the sentence, it looks like one book, right? But in the second part, it is many books, right? So they have to be treated separately, or should we take Pustakani in both cases?
These kind of errors, so many are there if we look at. It is just to practice. So, however it is given, we can
Just
do
take it that way. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, next one. Anusha.
धीमान अध्ययन में समय बितावे. धीमानः अध्ययने समयं यापयति.
Yes. Next. Vijayaji. Is it which lakara? bitave.
ఏంటమ్మా
Lot.
Lot.
Lot lakara. So what is a lot lakara rupa?
యాపయతు
Yapayatu. Yes. Next.
पुत्र को जलम पिलाओ, पुत्रम जलम पिबयति,
What is the dhatu?
పిలాओ అంటే తాగడం, పి పాదాతు.
Padhatu. In which pratyaya dhatu will not change? Gam means gamayati. Did it change? Stha did not change into tishtha. Sthapayati. Now what will be the form?
పాలయతి.
Why lakara came? Aparna ji?
Putrena jalam pilao, right? So pibatu.
What is the complete vakya?
Putrena jalam pibatu.
Okay, this pa dhatu when it comes, it should be in dvitiya.
Pibatu.
Putram jalam.
Okay, putram jalam. Oh yeah, putram jalam pibatu. Piba.
Prabhaji, what is the dhatu?
Here, it seems to say, sorry, I'm looking at the table. It says payayati is the form for latlakara, but we are doing lot, right? So it will become payayatu.
Yes, payayatu.
One question here, should we take putruko jala pilao? So should we take not tvam, right? We can take it as prathama purusha, or should we take it as madhyama?
Prathama purusha.
Okay, thank you. So then it would be putram jalam payayatu.
Yes. Next, Aparna ji.
राज्य का पालन कराओ. राज्यम पालनम कराओ. That is also lot lakara only. So karay, no, will it be karayatu? I'll have to check.
పాలయతి.
Palayatu, is it palayatu?
Yes. Can you complete the vakya?
Rajyam palanam
Well,
palayatu.
what happened to Raja?
Oh, sorry. Rajya ka palan karao, right?
Oh, here it is not given Raja. Raja said Rajika. Raja
Oh, in my sentence, it did not show Raja actually. Okay. Nripaha Rajyam palanam.
Raja say is there, na?
Okay, I'll read from your sentence only. In my sentence, it is slightly different. Okay, one second. Raja say Rajya ka palan karao. So Nripaha Nripena Rajyam palanam palayatu.
Next, Prabhaji.
Yeah.
बालक को स्नान कराओ. So balakam snapaya snapayatu, sorry.
Hmm.
Balakam
Next, Mama.
snapaya.
Hmm.
Say that again, please.
Yes, same thing. Balakam snapayatu. Umama.
Okay. शिष्य को पढ़ाओ. शिष्यं पाठयतु.
Hmm. Yes. Next one. Connection.
छात्र को पाठ पढ़ावो. छात्रं पाठं पाठयतु.
Hmm. Padam pathayet
पाठयतु कालमा.
pathayatu. Hmm. Yes. Next, Vijayaji.
शत्रु का वध कराओ.
Hmm.
शत्रुं वदयतु.
What is the Shatru word?
शत्रुं.
Shatru is Ekavachan, right?
शत्रे. Yes.
Shatrum.
It should be, yeah.
Shatrum. It should be Shatrum.
शत्रुं वदयतु.
What is the dhatu for kill?
खन् धातु.
Hmm?
खन्.
Han dhatu. What is the Han dhatu? Lot lakara or vidhiving lakara?
खनयतु.
No. Ghatayet. Ghatayet. Or ghatayatu. Ghatayet. Ghatayatu. Next. Aparna ji.
This is Kartari niche, right? Is
Yes.
it? So ghatayatu. I'm seeing ghatayat, tat and ghatayat, tat and ghatayatu.
Ghatayatu is lot and ghatayet is vidhiling.
Okay, so here it is it lot or is it? We can use either. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
वृक्षों को लगाओ, रोपया. वृक्षान रोपयन्तु.
Ropayet.
रोपयेत.
Next one. Prabhaji.
वह शत्रु को मारता है, तू भी शत्रु को मारता है, मैं भी शत्रु को मारता हूँ. So सह शत्रुं हन्ति, त्वम् अपि शत्रुं हंसि, अहम अपि शत्रुं हन्मि.
Next.
Is it my turn?
Yes, yes.
Okay. सह उसने शत्रु को मारा. सह शत्रुम अघातयत.
71.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, yes. You are doing correct.
Okay. सह शत्रुम अघातयत. And तूने चोर को मारा. त्वम चोरः अघातयः. And then मैंने दुष्ट को मारा. अहम
These are not which.
Oh, they are not niche.
Huh.
Okay, they are just plain. Okay, sorry. I thought they were not niche. All right. Then, usne shatru ko mara would be ahan. Saha shatrum ahan. Tvam choraha ahan. And aham dushtaha or khalaha ahanam. I haven't heard of ahanam before. Aham ahanam.
Yes. So if it is Vidhiling, first one is Avadhit, second one is Avadhihi, third one is Avadhisham. Okay, next one. Anusha.
वह चोर को मारेगा, तू उसे मारेगा, मैं उसे मारूंगा. సహ చోరం హంతి అమ్మ, అంటే లోట్లకారమ్మ.
Lot.
హంతు
Marega, future.
Yeah, Rit.
Rit, yeah.
Okay.
హనిష్యతి.
Hanishyati. Yes.
హనిష్యతి త్వం త్వం తం హనిష్యసి. అహం తం హనిష్యామి.
Yes. Next one. Vijayaji.
वहु दुष्ट का वध करे. सह दुष्टम घातयति.
This is not niche. అతను దుష్టుడిని వధించాలి. హన్యాత్.
हन्यात्.
నెక్స్ట్ అపర్ణాజీ.
वह मुझको जानता है. सह aham. Simple thing would be janati, but with means
సహ మాం.
saha mam janati.
నెక్స్ట్ ప్రభాజీ.
విత్ ధాతువు అని ఇచ్చారు కదా బ్రాకెట్ లో.
వేత్తి అమ్మ, వేత్తి కూడా యూస్ చేయొచ్చమ్మా.
వేత్తి.
So veti.
Yes. Next Prabhaji.
So the next, we are doing the 20th.
Yes.
वह मुझको जानता है with
21.
21.
No, that one has not finished.
मैं उसे जानता हूँ. That part is left, right?
Yes, yes.
मैं उसे जानता हूँ. अहम तम विद्धि. With me, sorry, right?
Ved me.
Ved me.
Ved.
Ved me.
Okay. Who will do fast all the vakyas in 1 minute? Otherwise, I will just tell, you can write down. Okay. वह हिमालय पर्वत पर जाता है. सह हिमवंतम याति. Next, वायु चलती है. वायुः वाति. Next, सूर्य चमकता है. सूर्यः भाति. आप नहाते हैं. त्वं स्नासि. राजा रक्षा करता है. नृपः राज्यं रक्षति. आर पालयति.
పాతి పాతి అమ్మ.
पाति. Yes, not पालयति, पाति. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.